guys, it's your girl Feliciayumm. Welcome back to my channel. As always, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Today's video is going to be another Colourpop review video. I love Colourpop cosmetics. I have dedicated one playlist strictly for my Colourpop reviews. So today I'm focusing strictly on skin, okay? It's all about the glow, alright? But I will say right now I'm not that happy with my skin. I am starting to break out a little bit, and because of the summertime when the sun is out heavy, it causes me to have a lot of hyperpigmentation. And so today I'm using two of these items that I bought from Colourpop, and I'm going to just revamp the whole look. Let's jump right in. Pretty fresh. And this was a collection that was dropped, I want to say about 4 or 5 months ago, right before quarantine and all the coronavirus shit just like came in and just warmed our whole lives. What I got was the Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturizer Pretty Fresh Foundation. And I'm not a big foundation girl because I like my skin to feel just, you know, I like my skin to breathe. I have such weird skin. It's combination. It's dry, it's oily, I used to have cystic acne, so I've always had complications with my skin. So I'm not a big foundation girl, but I did want to give this a go because it is supposed to be tinted. And I also wind up getting their Hyaluronic Acid Creamy Concealer, which let me tell y'all about hyaluronic acid, okay? Because I'm a big fan of hyaluronic acid. I'll even post a right here because I want you guys to know the benefits of why you need to be using hyaluronic acid every day until, all right, God takes you. Now, because it's the summertime, I am a little bit darker than I typically am during the, you know, wintertime. And so I think I don't want to say I bought this during the wintertime, but I bought this when my skin was a little bit more lighter. So this might be a little bit too light now, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna jump right into the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. Like I said, hyaluronic acid is amazing, and this concealer has hyaluronic acid in it. So, I mean, that's a double whammy. Like, you get concealer plus hyaluronic acid plus, okay. When I use my concealer, I always dive in for under my eyes because under my eyes are darker, and I like to kind of like, you know what I'm saying, just get in the area that needs to be fixed the most. As you can tell, like a lot of the area on my cheeks and on my chin have a lot of hyperpigmentation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lightly go over those areas with this Pretty Fresh concealer. And then I'm gonna place just a little bit on the back of my hand because I am going to use my detailed concealer brush, and I'm gonna place a little bit of this on my brow bone. Alright, so now that I have the bottom of my brow bone cleaned up with the concealer, I have my under eyes concealed and the hyperpigmentation concealed. We're gonna go in and we're gonna blend it all out. I have my eyelashes done, and anybody that's considering getting their eyelashes done, right now I need mine filled. Like, you probably can see that they're a little bit sparse in some areas. I haven't gotten them done in like a week and a half. But anybody considering getting their eyelashes done, I say do it. It takes so much time off of your makeup routine, it's not even funny. And like, you honestly don't need no eyeshadow. When you have eyelash extensions, your eyelashes are already just popped, so it just really is not even necessary to do any eyeshadow. And I'm using my Morphe concealer brush that needs to be clean, hella dirty. Don't look at it, don't judge me. And it's actually not blending it too bad, being that this is a little bit off of my color. This is color medium dark 145W. And I'm gonna take take one of my blending brush, and this is an eyeshadow brush, but I use it to kind of blend out the, you know, kind of tight areas that I can't really reach that good with these eyelash extensions. And I'm just gonna blend out under my brow bone and in between my brows, because you guys can see that harsh line right there. I'm gonna blend that out. Okay, so that concealer was blended out. Now we're gonna jump into the foundation. Yeah, the lightness I can actually see, so I'm not even gonna front. Like, this is a little bit too light for me, and that's my bad. I should have actually did the review when I was that color. But so we're gonna jump into the foundation now. The foundation looks like it's my color right now, and this is color Dark 18W. This also does have hyaluronic acid and coconut water, which it says coconut water is known to support hydration and softness of the skin, and I'm all for it, sis. There's no other contour stick out there that's really doing what I needed to do besides this one. Like, I really love this contour stick. Okay, so we went ahead and blended out that contour. Now I'm gonna go back in with my hyaluronic acid creamy concealer, and I'm gonna go right back under my eyes just a little bit, because I love that full coverage under the eyes. So this time I'm not gonna put as much, but just enough to give it that extra layer of coverage. Go ahead and jump into my setting powder just to eliminate the shine, make everything look cohesive and smooth. This is what makes your makeup, okay? It's the setting powder. In this one, I'm using my favorite, my beloved, my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I was gonna use my LA Girls, but baby, I need this to be looking right. I'm gonna do my bronzer, and I'm not gonna do too much bronzer. I'm using my Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette, and I'm not gonna use this one because I feel like this one is a bit dramatic. So I'm gonna go for, and these aren't named, and I'm just gonna place a little bit on my forehead. So this is the completed look. I really like the Pretty Fresh collection. It's got hyaluronic acid, it's got coconut water, it's super hydrating, my skin doesn't feel too overwhelmed, and yeah, this is actually how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe, comment, share, like, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.